Hi everyone, Esteban here at Flexpipe headquarters. Today I got something special for you guys. Today I want to show you guys the T-belt. That is the leather tool belt pouch that we have here. Really cool, nice and personalized, so you can become part of the team if you'd like. So today, don't want to have to explain too much what a belt does, but again, we'll just show you real quickly. We're just going to go ahead and clip this on. From there, it's just a matter of thinking what it is that we need. Sometimes we may work in an area where we're having to go back and forth too many times looking for our things. So why not go ahead and just put them all in one place so that we don't have to make all those unnecessary movements, right? So we're saving up time. Maybe I need to go ahead and add my mallet. Could be a question of maybe even having my drill going to be clipped on here. And again, so many different options to go ahead and use the leather tool belt pouch. I think for me the most important one is the fact that I can go ahead and load it up. I have two nice big pouches here. I can load it up with my nuts and my bolts so that everything is here when it's time to go ahead and assemble. So again, if I'm in a particular spot, it's going to be very simple for me to go ahead and begin to go ahead and do my installations. Again, very simple, guys. What we don't want to do is overload it, fill it up with everything that you have on your tool cart. Then it becomes an issue, it becomes a problem with ergonomics, right? Now we're having to bend too much. It might be too heavy for the waist, the key. So again, keep it a little bit light, keep what you need, get rid of what you don't, and then just go ahead and change those from time to time depending on what you're doing. Again, if you want to be the best, you got to work like the best. So Flexpipe tool belt pouch, again, could be for you or it could be for somebody as a gift. All right, guys? So that's it. Take care.